Hello everybody, how are you and welcome to this channel. Today I want to show you how to make these two different kinds of chains that might be useful for a crochet project. This one is the fountain chain, which is always used as the base part of almost all crochet project. And this one is the braided chains pattern, which is used as a decorative ornament of a crochet project. I believe that some of you guys have not yet seen this pattern. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these two chains. For this beautiful tutorial, I'll be using 1.5mm yarns and a crochet hook number 6. This one is the tulip sorbet. Okay, firstly, I will make the fountain chains. To make these chains, I start with the slip knot. Then, yarn over, pull through this loop. Yarn over, pull through this loop. Yarn over, pull through this loop. This is how to make the fountain chains. It is very easy. Okay, this is what the fountain chains looks like. Okay, the next one I'll show you how to make the braided chains. These braided chains also start with a slip knot. However, here is the difference. Before you make the next stitch, you need to insert the hook into this first loop. Then, bring this yarn tail up. Be careful. Then, break it down across the working yarn. After that, do yarn over and pull through these two loops. Okay, perfect. To repeat this pattern, insert the hook into this first loop, then yarn over, pull it through two loops. Repeat again, insert the hook into this first loop, yarn over, pull it through two loops. Insert the hook into this first loop. Then, yarn over, pull it through these two loops. Repeat again, insert the hook into these two loops, yarn over, pull it through these two loops. Then, you need to always repeat these patterns until you get the length you want. You can make it faster. Insert the hook into these first loops, then yarn over, pull it through two loops. Insert the hook into this first loop, yarn over, pull it through two loops. Okay guys, it's done and here it is. It looked thicker and prettier because the stitches across the chains are neatly closed and they are almost invisible. Have a look. And this one is the regular chain or the fountain chains. Have a look. The stitch across the chains are visible. However, these two chains are beautiful. Well everyone, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet!